Kihek nongelam ke BJP Meghalaya mentak sengi kilahir cari boy district mat kata kalong berwan simenta man Plie ya office trikam batamai jong BJP jong kari boy district badan Nongpoh.
Kata ngai ikibun ki members kan nang pet kata ngang snow sarong kakak dia sing ngatrai kadia sing ke bagi don bok mong yo la ka jong ke office pi ong kum no ne deh so tenan dai barabon ni habi syok ka ke office mentang yo ong kani ka dai ke office jongi nila sarong em ben ong la ka jong office mentang man ka pon ni don program nila wan hak office la jong nila long meeting baroh ki mandal president ru pila ben wan hang ni office ben long meeting la jong kata kadi kawai ke pakongsan niyo kanang bagi niyo pan tray pang yakis nam ki ban ya chakman na ka benta ki election man kawai om shumdai tong badai ka party tem dai mo di bandia tray sitong pen i si saba ngin tray na benta ka party ba ngin wanra ka ko mentau sedam kadi ka kanti dengan tray ni hab anda MLA lan jong pion mum no ne no ri boy dai nam dai ya to mentangan batai kendet pang ka budget perchan mo ngahap pan batai kendet ma nang kila IT nga bangan longkong ka ko convener jong ka budget pechat ngan kulir ka pareng mo ka budget the budget 2026 contribute to reinforce the visionary leadership of our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji in taking our great nation one more step closer towards his goal of Viksit Bharat 2047. This budget depicts the confidence of his government as there is no appeasement for any section but focus on overall development. For example, health sector. Rupees 10,000 crores outlay for Biopharma Shakti network. 1 lakh allied healthcare professional to be trained. Training of 1.5 lakhs multi-skilled caregivers, regional medical hubs for medical tourism. Next, tourism. National Institute of Hospitality to be set up. Pilot schemes to upskill 10,000 guides in 20 iconic sites. 3. National destination knowledge. Digital documentation of all places of interest. Bird and turtle watching trails in coastal areas. Number 3, infrastructure. Infrastructure is guaranteed fund to be set up. New dedicated freight corridors to be set up. Rupees 2,000 crores outlays for carbon capture tech in 5 key sector. Operationalize 20 new national waterways. And lastly, orange economy. AVGC, audio, visual, gaming and comic focus. 2 million jobs to be created. AVGC, content creators labs to be set up in 15,000 schools and 500 colleges. And lastly, new National Institute of Design to be set up in East India. Kini kidai namanta ka budget prachar. Ngashu I kindet bakinya tip kay kata. Te nganong kren bung tian namang kadigas ni ka ba. Kemen
cha kayin dapat kawai. Te kani kecil Plie kani office mentasi do state president ni recommend ji woman kapau sai ba nang ni suman ngin sedang ban thung yau tau sembai ba ngin habban ngin ai kaspo ngin ai kuhum ngin ai ke kham bangyo ban sei kita ki nong ikun sa kata election ka bangat ay sang apply prai mo kedomentan te nga kerman ba nampro kini kisan mandal nga thay seyo kita ki nong ele nong ya ai reng ka teng do party symbol jong party but kani ko office si kandi kata jing sedang but nga ketpok ketwang district president bagi team jong district but ya bro kisan mandal president nomor ba kani ko office kadi jong district but bro ki san mandal ru ki dan dejo ko hoi si kamera i kumala ko ne si kamera kan kanyo Nongpoh re ngathai bagani hi office jong bro kisan ki mandal de bidan dejo ko hop Tingi kerman ba nang isumat ni Tristom kumang isiong kaleng ba kalengkai gayat nei hoi ni sotho ginong tre ginam duna ban ngai ba mantasi ka amin sim ba Kariboy district kalanang kalanang Q ban ngilanang yo kat ni kita ginong kitkam jok party ban kerman ban ibay na pinang walam sashipo arpo sanpo hadin jongpi ban pentran ya kimandal jongpi ban pentran ginut jongpi kamtam ni polling booth but shop kan penkut kasipa penkut ini ba nagalang ka party bitan bilang haga party BJP ka party batray tambay lifespan of sansni tigi pun ba kita program ka party ka bensyat hengi but kita ki program hindi baka party ko ayan ni baginsule kita program hindi dari pet hagi program dari party kita na jong jumbat ha mentan.
I think everyone has given their speeches, but I want to give this opportunity to discuss with you all. I think I will just lecture and I'll go. That doesn't make much valuable. Instead of that, I want to discuss with all the mandals, whether they are from Nongpoh, Kyrtong, whichever the mandal. Let's start discussing about 2028 more. Because if I keep on lecturing, that lecture will go on in this room only. So please give me suggestion how to bring up this Riboy district and we get our own MLA. So from today, let us start thinking. Now you start giving me the suggestion how to bring up a good candidate, how to bring up a good party leaders. We have a very good leaders with us, a very talented leaders with us. But why our party is not growing? That also I need a suggestion from you. We are nothing behind any other party. We are not behind NPP. Everyone is scared for NPP. Why should we scared of NPP? It is only we doesn't work. Everyone think that NPP paisa wala hai, they will buy us. But if we can explain to our people the work which BJP has done to the poor of the poorest, our Prime Minister who has given us such a good scheme to us, that also we can do. We can start with that also. Without money, we can at least explain to the people, and let us groom a good people, groom a good leader. Whatever seat we have, the difficulties organizing this Riboy district. Our district president has done a good job with his team. I congratulate him. Of course, we have other different groups also, what you call a factional group. A factional group should not be there and I will not accept any factional group. Because I myself always believe in one party one. We have to be, everyone together. There should not be a second BJP. There will be only one BJP. As long as I am state president, the district committee will be as it is. I am not going to change it. So, my dear friends, please remember this. As long as Rupang is here, the district committee will be there. In case if something has to be changed, I will discuss with the district committee and I will do it. So, my friend, there is no other place to be, there is no room at all to be go against our own party. if somebody goes against the party or against individual, he or she will be against party, and he will be called anti-party activist. So, my dear friends, this is my strong word from my side. As long as I am president, let us build up the party more. This for our Riboi district, and let our party grow day by day. So let me dedicate this one to our party.
Madam, please. आप फोटो लो, हम वीडियो ले रहे हैं. हम वीडियो ले रहे हैं. आप क्या ले रहे हैं? हाँ, हम वीडियो ले रहे हैं.